Look who showed up for the first time in 2 days. It's Stuffy and Scruffy. And Bandita. Hi, Bandita! Arr. Hi, honey. You wash your hands and have some cat food. And these guys are having peanut. You want a treat? You guys want a treat? I got a roller bar. Hi guys, I missed you. Where you been for the last 2 days? Going to walk about again? How come Bandito never come over here? It's okay. I just want taking video. You love cat food, huh? I didn't see the kitty, so you guys help yourself. I keep calling the kitty, but maybe he knows you guys are back in town and he just wants you to, take care of the kids. I'm gonna get you a treat bar. Hold on.